Sometimes when she gets stressed out over doing a lot of stuff, so.
Oh, their face. Oh my gosh. She did that.
Danila. Here. Here.
She can go somewhere because to the park or whatever.
Yeah.
I understand that people are having enough money to fix her car and everything. But I thought
She got the limit.
take the car with Martin, Pedro's brother.
She told me about that. Yeah.
Yeah. And we can pay him. I can talk with his dad, with her dad, and we pay half and half.
It looks like she was giving it to you. She's like,
It's
"Come
just
on."
it's a pipe under the car and the emergency brake's the only thing we gotta fix. And I can afford it. I just with these days off that I've been having because my grandpa died and then before that we were on vacation with my dad. So I'm trying to catch back up on bills so I can afford it.
So what is it?
It's a pipe under the car. It's got a hole in it. It's like an exhaust leak, and the emergency brake, it needs to be fixed too. Otherwise, they won't inspect it. That's the only thing that's wrong with it. It shouldn't be that expensive.
Okay, you need to talk with Pedro about it because Martin doesn't understand many English.
Yeah.
But if you talk to Pedro, that's what they say that the car needs to fix. Yeah.
The pipe under
No
the
more.
car.